There's been a few videos about how to fix fuel gauge sender, or replace it, I should say. I'm going to show you a possible fix. So there's been a lot about taking this stuff out. There's a panel that goes on here. It's all Phillips screws. Remove your hose clamps. Be cautious with pulling them apart because there could be fuel in there. There are 8 Phillips. Yeah, I'll let the sock drain for a while and then I'll take it outside and show you how to deal with this. Okay, now there's a little catch pin right here that if you lift up with your thumb and slip a screwdriver in between the metal sheet, you can slide that thing down and out, revealing a track that your float bowl works on. I've had this apart before, and this area used to be really black. Then you'll need a 9/32, one of the ignition wrenches of old times. I don't know what that works out to be in metric, for 2 nuts here. Nuts and washers. And if you want to get really easy workspace for it, you remove the clip here. Now, I do not know why they make you buy a whole new float and pump assembly when you can just replace this, or you could just replace that. But anyway, you remove this float thing from these clips here, and the whole works. Will come loose, and that will release your contact point. Take some Scotch-Brite, give your contact point a rub, give these contact patches here a rub, and put it back together. Making sure that that pin goes into this hole. And then hook that rod back into its place. And there you have it. Now, put it on about 200 ohm setting. And try and get that to stick. Okay, that's not going to work. I'm going to go at a different rate. different way. Put the cover back on. Actually, I don't need that on just yet. I can make It's awkward to do with two hands free. Oh, you bugger. Okay, we'll try and hold that there, and we have changes in resistance, so that should by all counts work. I've done this trick on other vehicles too. There's just little differences in disassembly, but I've had it work more times than not. If it doesn't work, then you have to replace the whole fuel pump, and it's ridiculous that they make you do that. It's something that really pisses me off. You shouldn't have to replace whole things when you can replace segments. Anyway, that's how you repair a sender. Hope this helps. Bye.